Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you this soft pet carrier from Henkelion. Let's get into it. One thing I like about this pet carrier is that there's 3 openings that you can put your pet through. This is good for training your pet so they can get used to the carrier, and it gives them windows to look out of. There is a mat on the inside so it's more comfortable. We put a pee pad around ours in case one of our pets has an accident. The actual mat itself is very soft and the bottom is sturdy because it has a wooden board on the inside as well as some foam. I'm not sure if you can remove these and wash it, which is why we put a pee pad. There's also a hook on the inside to attach to harnesses or collars. There's multiple ways of carrying it, like these handles on the top that are attached, or a shoulder strap that's removable and adjustable. The carrier has a nice handy pocket on the outside, and this area here which can slide over the top of the handles of your luggage. The carrier is made of suede and there's 4 rubber feet on the bottom. I have a lot of pets and a pretty large cat, so I decided to get the larger size of the pet carrier, the 20 by 13 by 13. There's still plenty of room in here even for my large cat, and she seems to be more comfortable in it than in the large metal or plastic containers. I think my favorite feature about this is that it's collapsible, so it's easy to store. You just undo one side with the big pocket, undo the other side, it already folds down. You fold it in half, fold one side up, fold the other over, and then I use the shoulder strap to tie it all together, wrap it around the back, and then clip it on so it holds secure, and you can store this everywhere. This carrier has been super handy and is a great find.